Pioneer Industries is a full-service sheet metal and machining manufacturing shop. We're centrally located in Seattle. We have 3 manufacturing plants that are within 3 miles of one another.
Pioneer Industries manufactures a wide range of details and assemblies for both the aerospace and commercial markets. We're a build-to-print shop, so if you provide us the print, we pride ourselves in being able to provide a turnkey solution, and we'll provide the finished part on time and at the right value. We make a lot of parts each year. Over 1.7 million parts are produced by Pioneer Industries for our customers. And the fact that we can do most of the operations in our buildings gives us a real advantage when it comes to keeping the quality perfect.
We're almost free of part defects. 99.7% of our parts that we ship out don't have defects.
Pioneer is very dedicated to producing quality, to being on time, to having that personal relationship with the customers and working closely with them to make sure that we're reaching or exceeding what they need. Our core competencies include precision sheet metal cutting and forming, water jet cutting, CNC milling, CNC punching, press brakes, welding, assembly, metal vinyl, and finishing services. Pioneer's on-site finishing capabilities include electrostatic applied powder coat, conventional wet systems, aircraft finishes, as well as silk screening.
One of the ways that we have become more cost competitive is by investing in really fast machines that can push out parts really quickly.
I think any customer who looked at that would be thrilled to see that we could be not only competitive, but they're also interested to see that Pioneer makes the investments necessary to stay competitive in this market. We encourage our customers to walk through our facilities. One of the things they notice when they walk through is just the incredible number of details in terms of the type of parts that we produce. Some of the parts are very small, very complex, but we produce each of those individually, and we're going to build those up into a larger assembly. So our ability to take, again, the drawing, the print that comes into our shop and pay attention to all the specific details really separates us from a lot of the pack. We like to provide a finished part to the customer, and you can't do that without focusing on the intricacies of what's got to be machined, what's got to be bent, what's got to be formed to meet the customer specification. And we do a lot of work before we make our first part to make sure that we understand that specification. Being a Tier 1 supplier is a big responsibility in the aerospace industry. Basically what that means is you are supplying directly to the production line of the customer. That is a responsibility that is taken very seriously. You're required to deliver on time. You can't afford to shut down a production line, and we are a Tier 1 supplier. So we're very proud of that designation. In addition to being a Tier 1 supplier to the aerospace industry, we have similar requirements for the OEM customers that we supply on the commercial side. We deliver right to their production lines as well, and the requirements are the same. They expect on-time delivery every day at solid 100% quality. And we have all the major certifications required to satisfy the marketplace. We are committed to being an environmentally responsible company. We do have an environmental impact statement that we adhere to, and in the last 12 to 18 months, we have made significant strides in our environmental compliance to the point where we don't expect to meet regulation, we expect to exceed regulation. Safety is very important to us. We have a philosophy at Pioneer that if we are going to be good at any of the other things we talked about, which is quality, cost, and delivery, safety is the foundation for all of that. We have a very highly skilled, well-trained workforce that has actually won a number of awards in the last 2 years. We have been the Nonprofit Supplier of the Year Award winner in Seattle for manufacturing. We've also been a Silver Certificate Award winner to the aerospace industry recently. So that's really good work done by our workforce. And as a side, 65% of our workforce has come from backgrounds of incarceration or in chemical dependency, and it's really something we are proud of to provide that opportunity at a second chance for them.
You know, we've had most of our customers for a long time. We have a lot of repeat customers because they're happy about doing work with Pioneer. We're growing, and that's a testament to the good work that we've done.
We added a new plant, Plant 3, to our capability. This plant is going to provide us with additional raw material and finished goods inventory capability where we will ship. We will also be opening space for additional aerospace production equipment and expanding our commercial product capabilities.
Pioneer prides itself in the fact that it's grown tremendously since the time of its inception, and it takes quality seriously. Obviously, our success is based on our ability to produce quality parts.
We treat every customer as if they're our biggest customer, and I think that philosophy has ensured that our relationships with our customers remain strong.
We take an approach that is very transparent with our customers. Our transparency really allows us to get a customer to understand how we operate and want to do business with us. We would like the opportunity to prove to you that we deserve and have earned a right to be your supplier through the quality, cost, and delivery that we provide.